to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to be doing some organizing in my kitchen again. Last week I did a pantry organizing video, and if you missed that, I will link that up above or in the description box down below so you can check it out. But I really love how my pantry turned out, so I really needed to do some more organizing, and this time I'm going to be organizing my spice cabinet. It is a mess. I don't do a lot of cooking in my house, but my husband does, and it's just, he's always fumbling over everything and throwing it back in the cabinet. It would just be nice to have a spot for all of our spices to go so that we could see what we have. So I bought some things from Dollar Tree to hopefully get it organized, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me while I do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like home decor and DIYs on a budget, make sure to stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started on organizing. Alright, so to get started on this spice cabinet, I'm here in front of it. This is the whole cabinet. The bottom shelf is used for spices. The second shelf I have some bakeware, and then the third shelf I just have some random things and some s'mores making things that we use in the spring, fall, and summertime. So what I'm going to do, the first step is to take everything out of my cabinet and go through all of it. So go through all of the spices and check the dates, throw anything away that may be expired, and then anything else that's in there, like the bakeware and Tupperware and things like that, if I don't use it anymore, I will donate it or toss it if it's no good. So that is the first step. Alright, so I picked up 4 packs of these storage containers from Dollar Tree to put my spices in. I wanted the ones that had magnets on them, but I couldn't find them, so I'm going to make these work, and I'm going to put some labels on them. I also picked up some of these jars from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some spices and some labels on these as well. I also picked up 3 of these containers I found at Dollar Tree that I thought would be good to hold bigger things in my spice cabinet, like big things of salt or even just like my fresh garlic. Now I have this cookie pan that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this as my magnetic tray for my tins. So what I want to do is, which I've already done on one side, is pre-drill holes on the little edges here, the little handles. So I've done it on one side, and I'm just going to do it on the other side. PSA, I would not drill near your granite countertops. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, since my tins are not magnets, I picked up these magnet clips from Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend the clip off of the magnet, and then I'm going to just apply the magnets to the back of the pan. Now what I'm going to do is take my cookie tray with my magnets and attach it to the top of the shelf just with some small screws and my drill.
To believe it, that we can
watching today. I hope this video helped to inspire you to get organized. If it did, or if you just like organizing, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye-bye.
Every change has a